welcome to my channel. I am Ram. In the previous videos, we saw about how to clear aptitude tests as well as group discussion. So in this video, we are going to see about 5 preparation tips for an interview. So please watch this video completely so that you can get the utmost benefit of it. So come on, let's get into the video. So the first tip that I would give you is that try to build an impressive resume. An impressive resume can sell you to the interviewer, but our preparation does not stop over here. Try to go through your resume again and again and acquire some knowledge about all the points that you have given in your resume. For example, if you are stating that your hobby is watching movies, try to acquire some knowledge about film industry. Try to understand what are the current happenings in film industry. For example, online streaming. Online streaming became a big thing in the past few years. Okay, so try to generate your own opinion about the online streaming versus the conventional theater system. What do you prefer and what are the things that are happening in an online streaming platform? Okay, so try to acquire some knowledge about the things that you are giving in your resume. Okay, so apply this thing for all the points that you are given in your resume. For example, it can be your online course, it can be your sports, it can be your extracurricular activities, whatever it can be. So try to imply the same thing and acquire some knowledge about the things that you have given in your resume. Why I am suggesting this is because they will ask questions in order to know you better. So where these questions will be asked is that they will ask these questions only from those things that you have said to them in your resume. So try to go through your resumes again and again and try to acquire some knowledge that you have given to them. Okay, so this is the first suggestion that I will give you. The second preparation tip that I will give you is that try to choose 2 or 3 your major subjects and try to learn them from end to end. Okay, so why I am suggesting this is that they will try to check your academic skills as well. They will try to know your depth in your academic subjects. So while choosing these subjects, try to choose the subjects which are more relevant to their job description. For example, if the job is about analytics or data interpretation, something like that, so try to choose statistics paper rather than going for other paper. Okay, if the job description says about coding, then try to choose Java or Python rather than taking another paper. So if the job description requires accountancy knowledge, then try to pick an accounts paper. So why I am suggesting this is because there will be some questions in order to check your academic depth as well. So mostly the interviewer tend to ask questions from the domain that you are going to work for. For example, if it is coding, the questions will be from coding. If it is accountancy, then the question will be from accounts. Okay, so try to pick few subjects and try to learn them from end to end. This would be my second tip. So come on, let's move into the third tip. The third tip would be try to know about the company from end to end. What do I mean by that is try to know about the history, try to know about their establishment, try to know about their customers, try to know about their present acquisition and disinvestment, try to know about their purpose, try to know about their products and services as well. So try to know about their company in a holistic manner. So this will also help you in the interview because there will be some questions about their company as well. Some questions like what do you think about our company, what do you think about our products or services, and they will ask some questions like why do you want to work in our company. In order to answer all these questions, you need to prepare about the company as well. So this would be my third preparation tip. So come on, let's move into the fourth tip. Okay, so the fourth tip would be try to know your job description. Try to go through your job description and it will give you a rough knowledge about what the company is expecting from you. If you know their requirements, then you can prepare accordingly. For example, if your job description requires banking knowledge and you are from a non-commerce background, then you can start prepare for banking as well. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Try to learn about monetary policy, try to know about what are the classification of banks, try to know about how mortgages work, all these things. Okay, so if you know about all these things, it will be helpful to you in order to answer those questions that are from banking industry. So this is just an example. So the industry can be film industry or a marketing industry or an insurance industry, whatever it can be. Try to learn, try to acquire some knowledge about that particular industry. So this will also help you to answer those questions. Okay, so this would be my fourth preparation tip. The final fifth preparation tip is that try to brush up your knowledge about your previous work experience. If you are a fresher, then your internship is a work experience for you. Okay, so try to brush up your knowledge about your work experience as well as your internships. Okay, so why I am suggesting this is because there will be few questions in order to check your previous work experience as well. So why they are doing this is because they wanted to know how you have worked in your previous jobs. Okay, so this will give them a clear idea how you will work for them after joining their job. Okay, so this is also a very important thing. So try to learn and acquire knowledge about your previous work experience as well. So this is the 5 preparation tips that I would suggest for your interview. So please follow all these 5 preparation tips in order to clear your interview. So the following video is going to be on what are the frequently asked questions in an interview. So please watch that video as well in order to prepare for your interview in a better way. I hope this video is informative. If you feel the same, try to share to your friends as well so that they will also get benefit from this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.